Staying broke is a choice. It's a tough pill to swallow, but it's the first step towards taking control of your financial destiny. It's one shaped by the environment you create for yourself, the habits you cultivate, and the mindset you adopt. Your surroundings play a crucial role in shaping your financial reality. We blame luck or lack of opportunity, pointing fingers at external factors beyond our control. But often it's our own surroundings, the very spaces we inhabit, that are subtly sabotaging our efforts. These surroundings block prosperity, creating obstacles in our path to financial well-being. The energy in your workspace and home, the atmosphere you create, can either attract wealth, drawing abundance into your life, or push it away, creating a stagnant environment where money struggles to flow. Today we'll unlock the secrets of Feng Shui, a powerful tool for transforming your environment and consequently, your financial life. Feng Shui is the ancient Chinese art, a practice steeped in centuries of wisdom and observation. It's the art of arranging spaces for harmony and abundance, creating a flow of positive energy that supports your goals. Building wealth isn't just about hard work, it's about creating a solid foundation, both internally and externally. It's about letting positive energy, or qi, the vital life force, flow freely, unhindered, throughout your home and workspace. Chinese business leaders use Feng Shui, recognizing its profound impact on success. They use it to make strategic decisions, carefully considering the energy of their environment. This includes everything from office location, selecting a space with auspicious energy, to desk placement, ensuring optimal flow and support. Hard work in a bad environment, a space filled with negative energy, is like rowing against the current, expending tremendous effort with little to no progress. You get nowhere, feeling frustrated and depleted. Feng Shui helps remove invisible barriers, clearing the path for opportunities to flow into your life. It does this by aligning your space, creating a sense of harmony and balance. This alignment sets the stage for growth and success, fostering an environment where you can thrive. It's not magic, a quick fix, or a guaranteed solution. It's about intentional living, making conscious choices about your environment. It's a blueprint for lasting fortune, a framework for creating a life of abundance and well-being. Feng Shui is an ancient practice, a philosophy rooted in the observation of nature and its profound influence on our lives. It's the art of living in harmony with your environment, carefully arranging your surroundings to maximize positive energy flow. The goal is to let qi, or vital energy, flow freely and unhindered throughout your home and workspace, creating a sense of balance and well-being. When qi is blocked, whether by physical obstacles or negative influences, by clutter, poor design choices, or simply a lack of attention to detail, it turns stagnant, leading to a disruption in the natural flow of positive energy. This stagnation can manifest in various ways, leading to financial and personal struggles, impacting your overall quality of life. Feng Shui uses fundamental principles like yin and yang, the concept of duality, balancing calm and energy, light and dark, activity and rest, to create ideal workspaces and living environments that promote productivity and well-being. The Bagua Map, a fundamental tool in Feng Shui, helps you identify specific areas in your space and their corresponding life aspects, linked to wealth and prosperity, health and vitality, and harmonious relationships with others. Activating your wealth corner, for example, with a thriving plant or a gently flowing water feature, can attract prosperity and abundance into your life. Bad Feng Shui, on the other hand, like positioning your desk directly facing a wall, limiting your vision and potential, or having your back to the door, creating a vulnerable and unsupported feeling, creates unnecessary stress and anxiety, and ultimately blocks opportunities from flowing into your life. However, simple changes and adjustments can dramatically transform your environment and create a more positive and supportive atmosphere. These changes can lead to improved well-being and ultimately better results in all areas of your life. Feng Shui gives you the practical tools and knowledge to clear blockages, optimize energy flow, and invite abundance, prosperity, and harmony into your world. Savvy Chinese business owners understand that the environment in which they conduct business plays a crucial role in their success. They prioritize Feng Shui, the ancient Chinese practice of harmonizing individuals with their surrounding environment. This is especially true when choosing office locations. The location is not just a physical space, it's an energetic foundation for the business. Ideal sites have supportive surroundings, locations that naturally foster growth and stability. A classic example is having a hill behind the building, which symbolizes support and protection, and ample open space in front, allowing for the free flow of positive energy and opportunities. The entrance, or mouth of qi, is particularly important. It should be bright and uncluttered, creating a welcoming first impression. This open and inviting space helps to welcome opportunity and positive energy into the business. The CEO's desk belongs in the command position, a place of power and strategic oversight. This means far from the door, minimizing distractions and interruptions, but with a clear view of it, allowing the CEO to be aware of who is entering and exiting, maintaining control and awareness. Office layouts avoid long corridors, which can create stagnant energy, and high cubicle walls, which can block the flow of qi and hinder collaboration. Instead, the goal is to keep energy flowing gently, promoting harmony and productivity. Clutter is the enemy. It obstructs the flow of energy and creates a sense of stagnation. An organized space, on the other hand, allows for clarity, focus, and efficiency. It attracts new opportunities, signaling to the universe that the business is ready to receive abundance. Water features, such as fountains or aquariums, are strategically placed in the wealth corner of the office, typically the southeast. They symbolize money flowing in, constantly replenishing the business's financial resources. Every design choice is intentional, reflecting a deep understanding of how the environment impacts the business. It's about aligning your business with abundance, creating a space that supports growth and prosperity. Good Feng Shui creates a supportive, productive, and profitable environment, setting the stage for long-term success and well-being. The Chan family's tea shop struggled for years despite hard work. Their long, narrow shop created fast-moving energy that drove prosperity away. A Feng Shui master advised them to hang a crystal, add a mirror for balance, and move the cash register to the wealth corner near the entrance. They placed a healthy plant by the register and cleaned the shop thoroughly. The changes transformed the atmosphere. Customers lingered, sales grew, and word spread. Within a year, the business thrived and expanded. The secret wasn't just better tea, but better energy. The right environment turned their fortunes around. Success followed when they aligned their space with prosperity. Feng Shui is a practical system for creating wealth by shaping your environment and mindset. Your surroundings reflect your internal state. Clear space, clear mind, better decisions. Bad Feng Shui breeds confusion and poor choices. Good Feng Shui empowers you to thrive. Start small. Clear your desk, remove clutter, and add a healthy plant to your wealth corner. Notice the shift in energy and focus. Each action is a step toward abundance. What will you change today to invite prosperity? Share your ideas below and begin your journey to lasting wealth.